Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your screen resolution in Windows 11. What you need to do, you need to go on start menu here, right click on it, go to settings. Here you need to go on system on the left side and here go to display. Here you need to go on display resolution and see you have your recommended one. That means what your maximum capacity of your device or display is there. That's your recommended one. You can also change if this is feeling laggy or this is not up to the scale. You can also change the resolutions. For example, if I want this resolution here, I can go and keep change. You can see the resolution is changed, and some apps won't respond to the scaling change until you close and reopen them. Okay, so you need to restart your laptop, also your computer, so you can see the change as well. And I'll set it as recommended because that's what recommended is, and that's what you need to have. Or you can also in the scale, if this is feeling little bit big, you can change to 100 and that's a little bit small. And if it's feeling little bit small, you can go and 175, it will feel as big as that. And 150, it will feel as big as that. And you need to also have it on recommended. And you can also change the device orientation. You can change at portrait, and this thing will happen. Now it's very hard to actually fix that from here, so you can keep the change. I don't recommend that. Yeah, you can change that if you have a like vertical screen. And also you can landscape, but it's flipped. And also all the things you can do it here. So this was all about today's video, and if you liked it, press subscribe and like and share. Thanks, have a nice day.